Okay guys, we're gonna drain out this diff oil. Okay guys, so you always want to take out the filler plug before you drain plug. First crack this one loose before you crack that one loose. Okay guys, so what we need to do here, I've already cracked them loose already. Let's take out the filler plug. Okay, so it's loose. Okay, now we can take out the drain plug. Okay, it's out. Oh dear. Yep, that hasn't been changed in a while. Okay, so we're gonna let it drain out. Get all that gunk out of it. Okay guys? Okay guys, so once you got all of it draining out, okay, you're gonna take this plug, okay, you see this plug, clean it up and put some thread tape on it. Okay guys? Okay, you see guys, I got thread tape now on it. Okay, it's just to help it seal so it doesn't leak. Okay guys, you want to put it back in there. You want to put it back in there. And then tighten it up. Once I tighten up, then we can fill it up with oil. Okay guys, now we're going to top it up. Okay, so you gotta top it up until it comes out here. Okay guys, when it comes out there, you know it's full. Okay guys, when it starts running out like that, you know it's full. Okay guys, all you do is now, see guys, it's full now. You put your plug back in. There we go. Tighten him up. And that's it guys, that's all you need to do. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you guys don't mind, subscribe and like and share. And we will continue on the next one. Bye.